Everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. This week on Cooking with Corey, we're gonna do a chicken Parmesan burger. Ground chicken, Parmesan style. It's gonna be freaking delicious. Let's get that started next on Cooking with Corey. All right, let's go through ingredients for the day while Jen's out there working away in the garden. We got some Parmesan, we got some basil puree, we got some Newman's Own marinara, we got 1 pound of ground chicken breast from Smart Chicken, a cup of panko, Italian seasoning of your choice. I use Italian Fusion, that's got salt and everything in it. 1 small shallot diced, some fresh mozzarella, salt, pepper. We're gonna steal some fresh basil from out in the garden out there to finish this off. All right, let's get it rolling next on Cooking with Corey. All right, we got our bowl. We got a bowl, we got whatever. Here comes our 1 pound of ground chicken breast. Go ahead, Jen, you're fine. 1 pound of ground chicken breast, 1 shallot, small shallot that was, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning of your choice, big lug of salt and pepper, kosher salt and pepper, 1 cup panko breadcrumbs. It's getting windy, oh Lord. Hope this doesn't blow off. Jen's already had to pick the sauce up off the ground once. I hope she doesn't have to do it again. Parmesan cheese. Let's give it a half cup Parmesan cheese in the mix there. Close that up. Marinara. We're going to put just a little bit of marinara in here too. Just give it a little bit of moisture in there because that chicken breast is going to need it. Like so. All right. Then we're going to get in there. We're going to mix it up. I'm going to use my impeccably clean hands to finish mixing this. And we'll be back. We'll get it going on the Blackstone. All right, I forgot to add into the mix the basil puree. So we're going to do that quick. Add a little, probably a tablespoon of it. We'll mix that in there. We're going to make some patties out of this, and we'll meet you at the Blackstone next. All right, let's make a patty. Not that you guys need to know how to make a patty. We're going to do a little trick. We're going to use a little Pam on my hands. I'm going to do it back here. Spray a little Pam on your hands. Because I'm telling you what, this chicken is sticky. So then we'll grab some of our chicken over here. Just like so. See how that's not sticking to my hands? Isn't that fun? Isn't that great? Let's make a few patties out of this big old thing. Let's make a nice, decent sized patty. Impeccably clean hands, obviously, as always on Cooking with Corey. All right, look at that bad boy. All right, let's cook it next. All right, it is time to get our delicious chicken Parmesan burgers going on. Got our Blackstone ripping here, medium-high heat. Let's boil down because chicken is lean. Let's get it on there. 2 burgers. I'm not making this huge. Don't worry, this isn't going to be one of those gigantic burgers. It's one for me and one for me later. That's the way it is, because Jen doesn't eat meat. So, hey, thanks for that sizzle. The burgers are on. We'll get you some other stuff. All right, it's probably time to give these a flip. Let's move them over. Let's move them over to a different part. He's got a different part of the grill to go on. That's gonna cool down a little bit. We'll move him here. Look at that delicious color on him. Him over here. I'll tell you what. That isn't top. No, that's color right there. Alright, we'll continue on. 5 minutes. We'll be good. Alright, well, our delicious chicken parm patties are finishing off. Let's make a couple Parmesan crisps. Spray oil on there. You probably really don't need it. And we're just going to do a couple crisps just for one burger. This is going to be for one. Put one down, kind of get it into a circle. About as big as your burger, or a little less, really doesn't matter. And we're going to do 2 of those. Another one going here. Like so. We'll get those all crisped up. They have to go on the burger too. All right, let's see how this works out. We'll be back. All right, our crisps are moving along great. I might add, I do got some marinara over here warming also. I did go pick some fresh basil, sorry. And here we go. Get underneath them, flip them over. Look at that. Underneath them, flip them over. Look at that. Give it a couple minutes on this side, maybe 1.5. We'll move them over to the warm part of the grill with our marinara. I do got buns going on here, over here, some Kaiser rolls. I'll tell you what, we're gonna cheese this and we're gonna be plating soon. All right, we got our chicken patties here going. Look, don't they look freaking delicious. All right, our marinara right here. Let's give each one a nice little bath in our Newman's Own marinara. Look at that. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Get it all around. Try not to get it down there because screw up your Blackstone all, but it'll burn. So nice little coat there. Then we got our fresh mozzarella right here. I don't know if you can see that right here. We'll do 1, 2, 3 on each. We'll go over here, 2, 3, like so. Excellent. And then we're going to top it off with some more Parmesan. So we'll give it a nice coat of Parm on top. Nice coat of Parm on top like that. All right, looking good, folks. All right, now we need to steam this up and get this going. Don't have any water. Hey, we got Busch Light. Let's do it. Here we go. Lit it up. We'll be back. All right, just check these out. See how we did. Ready? 1, 2. Look at that. Look at that. I'll tell you what. All right, let's go plate this bad boy. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. Okay, it's absolutely time to build this delicious chicken Parmesan burger we made with ground chicken. And a little marinara. I'm gonna put a little marinara on my lid over here. Here comes the wind. Sorry about the wind, sorry about the sound. Right, we got our marinara down there. Just add some fresh basil in there. Fresh basil leaves from our garden because I couldn't find it today, so I had to go steal it from my little plant. Delicious. Parmesan crisp right there. Looking all good. Our pate on top of that. Looking delicious. And look at all that cheese. We're going to add another Parmesan crisp to that. Then we're gonna lid that bad boy up. All right, I already tasted one and it is freaking delicious. So let's cut into this. While we got you here, let's do it. Get right into this chicken parm burger like no other burger you've ever had. Here we go. Look at that. Is that wonderful or is that wonderful? Look at that sight. All right, I'm gonna just take a bite. It's slopping everywhere, but I'm gonna take a bite, just take a bite. All right, here we go. Now that is a chicken parm burger. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. We'll see you next week. Make this, it's delicious.